Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Jeep Grand Cherokee to your garage door opener. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely outside the garage, with the engine off. Locate the Home Link buttons, typically found on the overhead console or sun visor. Before starting, it's a good idea to clear any previous programming by pressing and holding the two outer Home Link buttons for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Now, let's program using your existing garage door remote. Hold your remote control about 2 to 3 inches away from the Home Link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired Home Link button in your Jeep and the transmit button on your garage door remote. Keep holding both buttons until the Home Link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid, consistent flash. This indicates successful programming of the rolling code. For garage door openers with a Learn button, this step is crucial. Go to your garage door opener motor unit, usually mounted on the ceiling. Press the Learn or Smart button once. You will typically have about 30 seconds to return to your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Once back in your vehicle, firmly press and hold the Home Link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release it. Repeat this press and release sequence up to 3 times. After completing the programming, it's time to test. Press the Home Link button you just programmed to see if your garage door opens and closes. If it doesn't work on the first try, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing and button presses. Sometimes, consulting your garage door opener's manual for specific Home Link instructions can also be very helpful for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.